it's your girl Naturally Jazz, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new here. I'm so thankful to have some new subscribers, and I am happy that you have joined the family. Today, guys, I am going to be transforming my laundry. It is currently a hot mess in here, guys. I have laundry that has piled up to the rim, and I have a bunch of things that I'm going to show you guys that's on the floor area, and it just has accumulated in here. My laundry room just needs a little bit of TLC, so I want to get that done with you guys today. I usually do my laundry like every other day to keep it from piling up, but over the past week or so I've been putting things in there that we need. Like right now my daughter is in there, so I'm not going to be able to put laundry in right away until that is done. But I've been washing things that we need, but overall it just needs to be tidied up in here and cleaned up, and I need to knock this laundry out, because if I stay on top of it, do it every other day, then it won't get like that. But when you're busy and you're going steadily, it can pile up sometimes. So giving you guys a realistic look at what my laundry can get like if I do not get it clean. But I'm gonna go ahead and try to get everything done in here so that we can transform it back into looking decent. And then we also have a new puppy now as well, so sometimes this is her home, so I want to make it decent in here for her as well. She does has a cage, so her stuff won't be in the way. It'll be in her cage, but still I just need to get it a little bit better in here. So here's laundry, guys. Here is all of the washing stuff I've accumulated that I need to actually put in my little organizers that I have not been putting in there, and I actually need to take all of this off and wipe it down as well. The floor is a hot mess. A lot of things have been accumulated in here from when we come in the house through the garage, and you know, they just throw stuff in here, change and trash from out of clothing pockets. This little situation here, I originally was stocking like extra wash detergent and stuff like that, which I'm probably still gonna put at the top, but it also has been holding our shoes pretty well. And actually these same shoes have been right here since it's gotten warm outside. As you guys can see, there's boots there from the winter time and things like that, so these same little shoes have not moved. So I am gonna probably take these on out because they're winter shoes, like my boots, my kids' boots, and just move them on out, so that way when we come in with the summer shoes that we're wearing now, they can go in here. And I just need to get some of this extra stuff off. There's a bow, there's a purse, and you know, there's a pillow that needs to be thrown away. It just needs to be swept and cleaned up in here. So guys, I am going to transform this. We're gonna get it together, guys, so let's just go ahead and get it done, guys. So the first thing I think I'm gonna do is get all of these clothes out of here. Since I am about to wash them, I'm gonna go ahead and separate them with like towels and whites and colored clothes, and then I'll just put those in the hallway and I'll throw them in as laundry gets done, so that way we can go ahead and knock laundry out, and then it'll give me more space here as well to move around and do the rest of what I need to do. So we'll get right into that first.
Look in the mirror, girl, the world's at your feet. You've got that power glow, unbreakable beat. You don't need no lover, you're fierce on your own. Rise higher than ever, your heart is your home. Love yourself first, hey, shine like a queen. You don't need anyone else to live out your dream. Walk with that swagger on every move. You don't need no backup, just get in the groove. Strength comes from within, don't you forget.
Alright guys, so laundry is separated. We're off to a good start. Got the whites, and then I'm separated here. So separated, it looks like even more of a lot. All were piled up in that teeny tiny basket there, just stacked up, because the other basket is in my room with clothes in it that needs to be folded. So oh my goodness, guys, if I had a maid just for laundry, it would be a lifesaver, but Lord, That's why I put this sign in here. Open 24 hours because laundry is never freaking ending. So now I need to get it all. I got it separated, but I need to get it out of here so that I can, you know, start to tidy up in here. So let's get to it. Literally shoving it out with my hand. Alright guys, so now that I've got all of the laundry out of the way, well, not necessarily washed, but out of the laundry room, I am going to get up. I just threw all of the miscellaneous stuff in the middle of the floor along with the stuff that was already down there to just go ahead and start picking this stuff up and getting it out of the way. And now that I'm looking at it, a lot of like this little dog and his hat and his purse and stuff, I can pick all of that up. And then there's some trash and
if you're smiling, then I'll bloom. Time after time, my heart stays true, like the sakura that greets the spring by your side. I will always be here. If a petal falls into your hand, hold it gently, let it stand. Even if I fade away, the wind will bring me back someday. Calling your name on the wind so light, petals dancing in the sky so bright. If my heart can reach to you,
guys, so the floor is done. I am probably gonna have to go back and mop it after I'm completely done in here, but so far I got the floor cleared out, and now I'm just going to clear the shoes. I don't know, you guys probably can't see it, but I'm gonna clear all of these shoes off of here because like I said, they're mostly winter shoes. So now we have a bunch of space for, you know, to put the other ones on. And then also, guys, I had this turned like up against the wall there, but then I ended up pushing it back towards this wall just because I thought it would give me more space. And so I'm gonna leave it like that. I do need to get that part and push it back a little. As you can see, it is leaning. This thing I got off the Temu, so it is a little bit flimsy. It works for what I want to use it for, but I mean, it is what it is for what I paid for it as well. I think I paid like 24 bucks for this or somewhere around that range. I'm not sure. I can't remember the exact price, but it wasn't very, very expensive. So yeah. So now I am just going to go ahead and refill all of the things. So I'm going to refill all of my little clear containers. It's no use in wiping it off right now until I get everything filled, and that way I can fill it and move stuff out of the way. So that's what I'm going to do now.
look in the mirror, girl. The world's at your feet. You've got that power glow, unbreakable beat. You don't need no lover. You're fierce on your own. Rise higher than ever. Your heart is your home. Love yourself first, hey. Shine like a queen. You don't need anyone else to live out your dream. Walk with that swagger on every move. You don't need no backup, just get in the groove. forget. Self-love's where it all begins, ain't no regret. Love yourself first, hey, shine like a queen. You don't need anyone else to live out your dream. You don't need no lover, you're fierce on your own. Rise higher than ever, your heart is your home. Love yourself first, hey, shine like a queen. You don't need anyone else to live out your dream. Love yourself first, hey, shine like a queen. You don't need anyone else to live out your dream. Walk with that swagger, own every move. You don't need no backup, just get in the groove.
Okay guys, so now that I've got all of the little organizers filled with my laundry detergent, fabric softener, and all of that, now I'm just going to go ahead and wipe everything down so that it can be clean as well, because the laundry detergent, the Clorox, the washing powder, all of that has been spilling on top of these, and I've been randomly wiping it, but I haven't given it a good clean in a while. So I am just going to go ahead and wipe everything down so that we can get it looking nice on top as well, now that we've got everything, you know, refilled and all that.
Lover with you, love with you, feel so true, feel so new. Love with you, every moment just me and you. Every day you're shining bright. In your eyes I see the light. Laugh and dance through the night. Can't believe this feels so right. Love with you feels like a dream. Never wanna wake, it seems. Holding hands under the stars. With you I can go so far. Every day.
Okay guys, so I went to go get this little organizer basket. I had an extra little basket that I want to place all of my laundry organizers in versus just have them sitting on top of the dryer. That way it won't accumulate such of a mess when it's like spilling over and stuff. I'd rather just be able to clean the basket out than have the washer just so dirty. But I think it works really, really well, and I like it in the baskets even better, in the one basket even better. And I am going to be placing my little Clorox in there just in case I do need to wipe it down again. But this is a closer look up at it. I wiped it down, and then I love the way everything is sitting on the dryer and in the organizer baskets. I desperately need to change these labels out, but I will find time to do that another time. And I also like to keep the little tops that go on the detergent. That way I could just use my little thing that I have the detergent in and squeeze it in there into the dryer. Now I am just going to go ahead and finish out switching the rest of the laundry room around, cleaning some other things. And guys, I cannot figure out how I want this rug to go. I've had it turned that way and then turned another way. And then when my clothes in washer, my dryer and washer starts to wash and dry, it kind of rocks a little bit. So it scoots it back. So that makes it, you know, move. But I'm also going to go ahead and put this little Glade air freshener plug-in in here just to freshen up the laundry room as well. And it'll also help with keeping it smelling fresh when all of the dirty clothes do begin to pile up in here again. And the last thing I do want to do is go ahead and clean this windowsill down. And then I'm also going to go ahead and clean the little shoe organizer that's up against the wall, because it does have some spilled laundry detergent and stuff on top of it as well. And then I will sweep and mop.
You're sugary sweet, like a dream come true. In the dressing room, it's just me and you. Drunk on your love, like wine divine. Now I'm forever, you're permanently mine. Honey, honey, every single day I wanna follow your sweet honey trail. Taste so divine in every single way. Oh honey, honey, yeah honey. You're sweet like honey, my heart's delight. Soft as candy pears glowing in the night. Whisper close, let your love be clear. Every word you say, I wanna hear. Honey, honey, every single day I wanna follow your sweet honey.
Alrighty guys, so I got it all tidied up and clean in here, and this is what it is looking like, and I am pretty satisfied with it, and I think I'll be able to maintain this and keep it clean. And I am just loving the little basket situation there. And yeah guys, so this is it, and stay tuned for me actually getting all those clothes folded after I wash them. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video.